Hello everyone. Today I'm going to change Samsung Galaxy S10 LCD. First we remove the back glass with the help of blade. I am using here blade. You can use anything as thin as possible. We use blade only just lift up the back glass little bit. After that we can use any card. Wherever it's stuck, use the small amount of alcohol. With the help of alcohol you can remove your back glass easily. You can see our back glass is separated. Remove all the screws. Make sure separate all the parts very carefully. There are two screws on charging port and one is just under the ear speaker. Here you can see. Use the alcohol to take out the battery. We don't need to put ear speaker and vibrator because our new LCD already has it. Now it's time to reinstall all the parts back carefully. Please make sure put them back accurately. Before put back the battery, use the double-sided tape if the double-sided tape is not already there. For the back glass, you can use double-sided tape or glue. I prefer to use glue. Now we test the LCD. You can see all is good. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.